In this video, I'll show you how to edit group categories and names in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to click on the sixth option, which is Audience. Now, once you are on the Audience section, head over to the top bar. And on the right-hand side, click on the three dots for more actions. And at the bottom, click on the fourth option, which is Groups. Now, that will take you to the group section, and as you can see here, we have a group. Now, in order for you to edit the category and names, what you need to do is simply highlight the group in which you want to edit. This will be this exact group. Once you do, on the right-hand side, click on the drop-down. In here, you'll be able to edit. So in here, we can edit the action. So on the right-hand side, click on the action section. And in here, we can rename. Now in here, we can rename our group action instead of men's clothing, let's say extras. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on rename group option. Once you do that, as you can see, we have successfully renamed a category. Now to rename a name of the group, head over to the top bar once it is selected. On the right hand side beside Hi Group, click on the drop down. And in here, you will find another option to rename. Now, if you click on rename in here, you can rename what products are you interested in. Let's say, what products are you most interested in, as an example. And once you're done, head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on rename group category. Once you do that, it will automatically change. And as you can see, we have changed our group name and category. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.